Your machine is as reliable as its weakest component. Choose a drive you never have to worry about. Hi, I'm Wojciech Bracha, Strategic Product Manager for AC drives at Mitsubishi Electric. If you're an OEM machine builder looking for trouble-free operation and real peace of mind, here is why choosing Mitsubishi Electric for your drive solution is the right choice. We are a 100% original manufacturer. Every drive we deliver is designed and produced by us, from the initial specification to the final product. We never rebrand, so we always know exactly where your technology comes from. Confidence starts with a supplier who never lets you down. Real confidence comes from knowing your partner maintains complete control, not only over the quality, but over the full product lifecycle, including end-of-life planning. It's also the assurance that when global supply chains are disrupted, your production won't be. We integrate know-how across every stage of the value chain. As one of the world's longest established producers of power semiconductors and power modules, the beating heart of any power drive system, we understand how much these components shape performance and reliability. But superior hardware is only part of the story. Because we designed this core technology ourselves, we also know how to extract its maximum potential. Our drive software is engineered hand in hand with our hardware, creating a perfect match that unlocks industry-leading performance. Whether you build for automotive, food and beverage, or public infrastructure applications, you can leverage this technical advantage to achieve your business goals. With over 4 decades of designing, manufacturing, selling, and servicing variable frequency drives, we have learned from every challenge, fixing issues, refining our processes, and embedding continuous improvement into our DNA. This is Kaizen mindset, means our mistake never become yours. The result? Lower risk, fewer surprises, and the freedom to focus on your core expertise and your customers. As Mitsubishi Electric, we are among the world's leaders in patents, including drive-related intellectual property. And we turn that innovation into real-world value for machine builders. We introduced the world's first electronic corrosion detection system integrated directly into the FRE 800 series, enabling predictive maintenance in harsh environments. We also hold patents for our ultra-efficient EMA motors. Our aim is simple: lead in reliability and sustainability, so your machines stay competitive throughout their entire life cycle. Reliability isn't a slogan, it's our standard. Our zero-defect philosophy means every single unit is physically tested before leaving the factory. Even the smallest components undergo HALT, so highly accelerated life tests, to uncover weaknesses early. This approach removes hidden defects before volume production, ensures consistency batch after batch, and dramatically reduces failure rates in the field. Your customers don't differentiate whether a failure comes from a drive or any other part of the machine. Your reputation is what's on the line. We protect it. We believe long product life cycles reduce costly redesigns to your machine lineup. With our principle of backward compatibility, migrating from one generation to the next is straightforward and predictable. We're not just a solution provider. We are a partner who stands beside you, helping you grow, scale your production, and manage your machine portfolio with confidence. Your machine is only as reliable as its weakest link. Choose Mitsubishi Electric and ensure the drive is the link you never have to worry about, delivering long-term reliability, predictable performance, and complete peace of mind. Ready to learn more? Visit our website.